Hey guys, Steve here. Hey, so I'm in an apartment unit that's being renovated in between. It's called a unit turn. Unit turns basically mean that they're turning the unit. It's somebody moved out, they got to fix it up, clean it up. So this is kind of what it looks like when it's midway. Okay, I'm gonna go and turn the. There we go. So you got tools and parts and everything. Okay. Electrical panel showing. So they pretty much gutted out. They're painting it, working on cabinets. The guy asked me to measure up the windows for their blinds and their screen doors. Okay, so I just wanted to share what it kind of looks like before you move in, way before you move in, when they're in the middle of the project. So, okay. All right, everybody. Have a great rest of your day. Take care and God bless.